name is Josephine A. Mengobat, and please introduce yourself.
Hi, good afternoon. Uh, my name is, I am Maris Canagla.
Then, the question is, what motivated you to pursue a career in a manager?
What motivates me to pursue a career? I think it's the responsibility in life
Okay. Then,
and the opportunity that the company gave me.
then, how would you describe your leadership style?
How will I describe my leadership style? I think it depends. It depends. In my 10 years in the company, it depends. Because I am tough nung mga ka-level ko lang, like mga millennials. Medyo tough ako. Pero nung pumasok na yung mga Gen Z, medyo mas understanding na ako. Kasi iba yung generation nila sa generation namin as millennials.
Yes.
So I am more on mas mataas na yung pasensya ko. Before kasi wala eh. Talagang pag sinabi kong ganito. So pag pinaulit mo pa sa akin yung 2-3 beses, malilintikan ka na sa akin. So ganun. Pero ngayon hindi na. Para mas mahaba na yung pasensya ko.
Okay. The next is,
So yun.
how do you handle a conflicts within your team?
Conflict. I think I am the conflict. I didn't handle myself because I am the conflict. How do I handle conflict? Today, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care conflict. How do I handle? Hindi na lang makikinig sa mga sinasabi ng iba.
Okay.
Tsaka hindi ko sila pinapatulan. In other words. So yun lang. Kasi kung pinatulan ko sila, baka ma-depress sila, tsaka magpakamatay. Charot. Joke lang. So yun lang. Kasi parang parang pag nasa corporate world ka kasi hindi mo talaga siya maiwasan na may conflict sa mga coworker mo. Pero ang ginagawa ko is master the art of Tenma. I don't care, parang gano'n. Ay, wala po na. O, diba? Sige. Okay, go. Yun lang.
So the next question is, how do you motivate your employees, especially during the challenges time?
How do I motivate? I think, hindi naman ako motivational speaker. I do not motivate them. I want them to experience para sila na mismo pag sila nyo naka-experience, nandun nang gagaling sa kanila yung mismong wisdom. Kasi iba kasi yung magsasabi ka sa na-experience mo talaga. So, hindi masyadong nagmo-motivate. Wala akong paki sa kanila. Parang, sige, go. Kasi, mahirap mahirap mag-motivate ng, for me lang naman, mahirap mag-motivate ng isang tao, especially pag hindi pa sila ganun kalawak ng pag-iisip, para andun pa sila sa mga stage na medyo rebelde pa, ganun. So, let them experience para sila na mismo ang makakaano sa sarili nila ay mali pala. So yun, I'm not a motivational speaker.
So the last question is, what advice would you give to someone who wants to be a good manager in the future?
What advice? I think I cannot advise because I'm not a good manager. Bali, natutunan ko lang talaga siya on the way. Natutunan kasi before, mga bago-bago lang ako, hindi naman ako ganun kagaling, hindi naman ako mabuting manager. Naging pumapatol ako sa mga customer. Nandun ako sa point na talagang parang, kasi wala pa akong masyadong alam wala pa akong masyadong experience.
Oo.
Hanggang sa tumagal, may mga natutunan na din sa buhay. Marami na experience.
Yes.
So, hanggang sa natuto naman na din. So, what advice? I think you have to experience talaga. Experience kung ano talaga yung sa management, ganun. Kailangan mo siyang para basta yun na yun. Yun lang.
Thank you for your wonderful answer, ma'am, and I hope you can handle your work as a manager. So thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Good day, sir. Thank you for your cooperation today. Before we start our interview, please tell your name.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning. My name is John Christopher Esparter, and branch manager from RD Pawn Shop, Manila.
Yes. And the first question is, what motivated you to pursue a career in a manager?
My motivation in pursuing a managerial career are my officers and my co-managers that guided and helps me to be more passionate in my managerial career.
Okay. Then the second question is, how would you describe your leadership style?
My description and my leadership style is being firm in the decision making, especially in encountering a customer's problem or feedbacks or any opinions from customer that needs to be developed or innovate.
Okay. Then the third question, how do you handle conflicts within your team or organization?
Handling conflicts in the team or organization or the company by listening feedbacks and accepting others' opinions, especially for the innovation or productive management or for the development of the company.
Yes. Then the fourth question, how do you motivate your employees, especially during challenges time?
Motivating employees during challenging time by helping them and sharing my experiences during my newbies as new employees on how to handle and to how to develop your skills for being an employee.
The last question, what advice would you give to someone who wants to be a good manager in the future?
My advice to someone who wants to be a good manager in the future by having time to listen from your colleagues, your coworker, your um, employees to their opinions and advices on on how to develop your managerial on how to develop your managerial matters, and how to handle your time management and being humble to everyone, especially to your lower employee.
Okay, so that's all. Thank you, sir, for your time today. Thank
Thank you, ma'am.
you.